Hey guys, I'm Teacher Mark. In this video, we will learn how to make questions in English. Please enjoy. Who lives here? Who drank my coffee? Where do you live? What did you drink? Alright guys, let's do some practice. You'll see a sentence with some missing information. Make a question. Good luck. Thank you for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Remember, if this video was useful, please subscribe, make me happy, press the button, do it now. Until next time, I'm Teacher Mark, please enjoy your life.